what happened? What did you learn? And how are you going to apply what you learned?
What is the relationship or the connection between education and entrepreneurship? Should all entrepreneurs be in a constant state of learning of some sort? You know, where does this all fit in with the entrepreneur's journey?
Is it you're certainly always learning as an entrepreneur, always learning, sometimes learning more than you would prefer to be learning.
Yeah.
Learning experiences, they're called.
Forced learning experience, right?
You know, we have 3 questions that we teach students, and it's great for entrepreneurs. It's great for everyone. Is like, what happened? What did you learn? And how are you going to apply what you learned? So what happened? It could be some major mistake. It could be something small. Doesn't matter. Just something happened. And what did you learn? Yeah. What happened? What did you learn? How are you going to apply what you learned? And you know what? That's forward thinking.
Right.
Rather than, oh, poor me, I made this terrible mistake. I'm so embarrassed. It's like, and for students, you know, in the classroom for them, okay, what did you learn? Not like, oh, wrong answer. Hey, what did you learn? How are you going to apply it? What will it look like different? And so then they're always excited going forward rather than, oh, poor me, I made a mistake.